Everyone loves to eat. Today I will teach you a very simple and delicious recipe. First, let's prepare the eggplant picked from the book, peel it off, and then cut it into pieces. Next, prepare a bowl, put a spoonful of water in it, and add cooking oil. Then beat an egg and stir it up with chopsticks, then add a spoonful of flour and stir it evenly with chopsticks to form a batter. It can be evenly wrapped, just like in the video, and then we can fry it in a pan with 5 layers of oil, one by one, and drop them all off the road. After that, let's use the little guy to fry the family members slowly. We must use the little buddy. It's fried and the video is recorded in half. I can come out with a thick skin. Just order me a little butterfly, just point it at the screen and give me 2 clicks. Put a spoonful of tomato paste into the oven, then add a spoonful of water, then add half a spoonful of sugar, then turn on a low heat and cook slowly to make the soup thick, then pour in the fried eggplant and stir it evenly. You paid for it, you have to do it like me at home. Oh my god, it's really delicious. In the end, you still need to pay attention to me. You can only find me when